Well guys, today is the day. I have finally finished the ice cream van. Just sitting here looking at this thing, it's probably gonna be one of my best trucks that I've ever built. As long as the thing runs good, aesthetically, the front bumper alone is amazing. We got everything from the little rain guard right here, the little gutter kind of thing. I got the roof all nice and flat here. It's amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of this truck, and then at the end, I'm gonna let it rip. So starting off with, we've got the engine. We'll start from the front. So we've got the 4x4 head valve engine. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this engine very soon so that you guys can build it for yourselves. And then I've got the front grille with two little air inlets right there, just like on the real van. I've got the snazzy looking headlights, and then I've got the license plate down there. And then we've got the nice slanted hood right there for airflow. We got a nice flat tiled hood right there. We've got a full down windshield right there with dual windows, just like on the real thing. It just pops in right there, makes it look really clean. Very seamless look on there. We can go over here to the door with a working hinge, which is pretty cool. So as you can see there, it has a working hinge right there. And when I move this, you can see that the little hinge actually moves. So when I close the door and lock it, I actually can pull on it and it won't come out. So it's great for when I'm doing runs with this truck and when I do chud mill pulls and stuff like that, because sometimes it vibrates around. And if this door were to come loose, then that wouldn't be all that good. So, but the other nice thing about this door is that when you open it, it gives you access to the switch that turns on the starter motor and then starts the vehicle. And we'll get to the interior in just a minute. I'm gonna just do the rest of the outside of the van, and then we'll get to the inside part. So, right here is the serving window. So on the real van, this actually slides open, and that is how you can serve your ice cream. You would have a little tip jar right there, and you can serve your ice cream right out the window, so it's pretty cool. And then right here, we have another small little glass window up there, and then we've got a side reflector right there. We've got another side reflector, a red side reflector right there, and then as we bring it around here to the back, we've got the two back doors just like on a real van. We've got an upper license plate right here. We've got the tail lights and blinkers on both sides here. And then the back, where the bumper is going to be, I still have to design a bumper for it. That's probably the final thing that I have to do. We've got a red side reflector right here and a clear one. And then we have the orange side reflector. And then over here, we've got two glass windows so that you can see out. As you can see right in there, I've got my spray bottles and cleaner and toilet paper and all that stuff in there. And then we have another one of these rain guards right here. And then we come over, we've got the bell, and then we have another glass window for the driver's side. This is also meant to be here. This is a smaller window opening that's actually on the real truck. This triangular area was purely intentional. And that's it for the outside of the truck. Now let's get into the inside. So now for the inside of the truck, we have a lot of different stuff going on in here. So right here is the switch so that the driver can initiate the starter motor right there. And then the starter motor has a gear down, and it connects to this freewheel mechanism right here that connects directly to where the yellow flywheel is. And that's how the engine gets started. And then right there we have the steering wheel, the music box, the speedometers, and a little control panel right there. The seat actually does recline and go forward, which is a pretty cool feature. Then we have some crates right here for some ice cream and snacks and stuff that you can put in there so that you can serve out here at the window. Then, like I said, we have all the different cleaning products so that we can keep a nice sterile area in here. We've got a little toolbox or a storage compartment for your money, you can have your safe in there. and all that kind of stuff. We have an air compressor and then another large storage tank back there. So we got a bunch of different little tanks and stuff like that. Then back here is the car battery. You can press the green button and then it turns on the battery so that the car can be started with the little starter motor. I was thinking about maybe adding like refrigerator units somewhere in here. Perhaps removing this or moving it to a different area over here. And then putting small refrigerator units under there with perhaps like opening doors or something like that. So then we can store the ice cream in there. But for now we just have these little snack bins until I get that done. So yeah, so that is the interior and the exterior of the car. Now let's get to running it.